I'm gonna check us out over here. We got 17K. I'm gonna just.
He's on the way. He's on the way. I think he might be speeding up actually a little bit. So let's go ahead and hop on the. Let's go ahead and
hop in the truck.
Get in the truck. I'm pushing the button. Pushing the button. Get inside. Okay. All right. Well, good shit, man. Ah shit.
How did I get stuck on the wall? Oh!
No way. Did that thing blow up?
Oh, thank you for the assist. Whoa, this might be Woody's last round up here, folks.
It's not even funny.
No.
Ooh, I have a gun.
Taking matters in my own hands.
Life was like that, huh?
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Down here. Nope. Yeah. Oh!
I'm hiding in plain sight. I'm right next to him. Oh, he did see me. He did see me. He did. What the heck? The little Flappy Bird turned into an evil monster. I knew it. He's too cute to be real. I knew it. I knew it.
Nigga, get your beam up, nigga. Get your beam up. Don't let the team up. Fuck wrong with him.
Bro, Bloom is still asking.
I feel like there's somebody shooting near me. Can't even.
He still got shield. He got shields again.
Ow! Oh, you got a fucking shotgun.
Run.
I'm running away. I'm closing the door. Heading to you guys. Oh, wait. Got him. Get shit on bot.
He should be dead, practically.
I'm coming to you. I'm coming to you, D.
This is like a brand new game. Oh, okay.
I'm always trustworthy. I don't know what you mean. Ow.
I'm up to 76.
I'm at 100.
No, shot at work.
Nice.
I was supposed to hit you. Nobody told me I was supposed to hit you.
You were also supposed to be holding a health pack.
I was holding a health pack. Lover. Here. Hey, still.
Dude, I had a feeling. The moment you turned around the corner, I was trying to get away. Like, we eyeballed each other across the table. I knew it.
I was just on a slashing, I was just going for it. It's like, you know what? I left no witnesses.
Yeah. The animation they gave me for you
Just be a little bit in the way. If you might need to get rid of drinks. There you go. Alright, well, if y'all haven't experienced drinks, try this one.
This is ridiculous.
I have unlocked all the drinks.
Another.
Oh, you're not gonna need another after this one.
Shit.
Whoa.
It is not on my mouse.
Oh boy. Which one was this?
Blackout step.
We can put him on the. I lost it. Oh, there he is. Hey, welcome back. There you go. Oh, man, I'm trying to be as delicate as possible. It's just the controls though. The controls are just they're hampering everything here. Oh wait, let's see if I put you on here. That looks fine. He's okay. Nope, didn't work. Maybe if I put him in the truck. Anybody know? Anybody in here? Could help? Oh boy. I hope he's fine. I mean,
Alright.
I'm just gonna leave him here for a sec. I don't know. How am I the last loser standing? Oh, no.
Know what I'm doing?
That is.
That's
Yeah. Fuck.
That's what I had.
Come here. Yeah. Bonk, bonk. Damn!
crazy.
Yes, sir.
King of the losers, bro.
Yes, sir. Oh, I found a shooting. I found a shooting. Found a shooting. Let me just equip my weaponry.
On the way.
Yeah. Where'd he go? You seen him, right? Yeah, here he is. Here he is. No, wait, this is a different guy. Hold on, sir. I'll be right with you. Where did your boy go?
Oh, I got a
Another one.
crocodile following me here.
There he is. Oh my God, he's going towards
Oh,
boy coaster. He's going to my.
Yo, he's up in that shit.
He's over there. I'm dead here anyway. I'm just gonna... I'm fucking dead here. Okay, there we go. What? Don't say shit because he can hear you. Oh, he's making it weird. Damn.
Because of you.
Boy, this is not gonna be fun here.
I might have made a mistake. I made a mistake.
Are you down there?
Anyone want an RPG?
Oh yeah, you do. Hold on, let me see if I can just keep.
Next jump, one of y'all niggas take. I'm getting that ass, nigga. You're dead.
Excuse me?
Do you hear what the fuck I said? I'm getting that ass, nigga. They dead.
I don't want to play this game with you anymore. You make me uncomfortable.
See, we got. Good. There's only one health. Another bomb. God damn it. There we go. Hey. Was that you? Was that you? Are you playing with the grenades again? You set that shit off. Shut up. So stupid.